Hello foodies and welcome to my channel. Today is one of the no cook, no bake holiday party recipes which comes together so quickly yet looks like you have taken a long time making it. Let's see how easy it is. Come on. I have taken plain cream cheese at room temperature. We will have to just press it down to soften it. Now we will add layers of flavors to make it look attractive. I have finely chopped black olives so that they are the same size of the chopped peppers. Combining these flavorful ingredients so that the end result is lip smacking. Give it a good mix, making sure the flavors blend with each other. This is such an easy recipe for kids after school snack also. Looks great, right? Here I have Monterey Jack cheese, but you can use any cheese you like. Again, give it a good mix. It's ready to use. I have taken plain tortilla which I have just warmed slightly so it's pliable. Spread the cream cheese mixture as evenly as possible. If you like my recipes, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for such innovative recipes I post every week. We will start rolling this as tightly as possible. Take your time and roll tight. Rolling tightly will give a good shape to the roll-ups later and also hold the cream cheese mixture tightly inside. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Perfect. Make the rest similarly. Refrigerate them for 30 minutes for the cream cheese mixture to firm up. Let me cut one and show you. Once these are nice and firm, they are easy to cut. Cut any size you like. These are yummy bite-sized snacks ready for your party. Awesome, don't you think? Make these for your next party and your guests will love them. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye.